Hey besties, welcome back to my space. I'm Bonnie Helen and I'm back again with a new video. So I got comments like people were asking me how to bleach your palm oil, and I'm going to be using the heat method. And I just put my palm oil in hot water because it was quite thick. I needed to get it off this container, and that's my palm oil in the pot. You just put it there and that's it. That's basically it. Just put your fire. If you're using your stove, your gas, your charcoal pot, your fireplace. I'm using my fireplace because I need the heat to be hot. As you can see, insert your paper and see how red it is. It's red. That's to show that it's not yet bleached. So you just let it continue to fry on the fire in that pot. And best way to like bleach your oil, go ahead, take a lid and then you cover your pot, so you trap in all the heat. No heat is going out of it, so it bleaches faster. Yeah, and it will help that people not be coughing because that thing has quite bad smoke. So after 15 minutes or so, I'm back to check, and just go ahead and insert another white paper like before, and if it comes out clear like this, you have your bleach palm oil. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, and bye bye.